who is Globant? We like to say that we are a digitally native company. We are over 17,000 people around the world in 18 countries, and we basically do projects for clients like Google, like Rockwell Automation, like Electronic Arts, among others. We basically meet design and technology together with artificial intelligence and data, and we do this kind of projects at scale. So we basically do giant projects and we impact with our technology millions and millions of users. The key technologies that are transforming, the economies today are many. You can basically group all those technologies in something that we call digital transformation. But let me just focus on one technology that I particularly represent, that it's the artificial intelligence. Today we have a world that it's based on data. Companies are making decisions out of data, and they have to make decisions out of data. They transform their businesses and their vision making decisions out of data. And the technology that you need to use in order to extract the most value out of that data is artificial intelligence. So we do that. We actually transform the businesses, or we like to say, we augment the businesses of our clients by using artificial intelligence. And augmented coding, the project we are presenting today, it's a materialization of that idea. It's a materialization of the idea of augmenting organizations into our own context. Augmenting the way we produce code, in this case, with artificial intelligence. There's a sector, or there are some sectors that are transforming their businesses with technology faster than others, given the pandemic, and most of them are related to the online trading. For example, web commerce, e-commerce. It has transformed a lot in the last year and a half, during the pandemic, because many businesses, they had to transform themselves and actually be able to trade with or to contact their customers via the web, via internet. So that made a huge transformation on the way they connected to the clients. E-commerce platforms, as an example, on the way they understand the clients, on the way they understand the data the clients generate, on the internet, and so on. So again, artificial intelligence is a very powerful technology to actually, extract relevant information from that data and, empower your business and improve your business. Well, same idea can apply, to organizations. These technologies, such as, artificial intelligence, can help organizations be more efficient, for example. And I'm going to go back again to the example of augmented coding. We see that when we use this kind of technology for the development of code, in this case, we see people that is coding faster. We see people that is coding with less errors. We see people that it's better using their time to do more creative stuff instead of doing, repetitive and routinary stuff while they're code. And that impacts directly to the efficiency of, for example, people that is producing code. The same idea and the same technology can be applied in a wide variety of scenarios and a wide variety of industries to actually gain efficiency and impact the business. I think the biggest challenge, and again, I'm going to context this question to artificial intelligence, to data, and so on. I think the main challenge is to actually be, or have a maturity in terms of data that is enough to apply this kind of technology. You have to be ready in terms of the organization of the data, the structure of your data models, your data governance, in order to actually get the best out of that data and be able to use artificial intelligence at its full power. So the main challenge for most companies is to actually get that maturity, to get there, to have enough data, to have good data lakes, a proper data model, so they can actually apply this technology and connect this technology to the business. From my personal perspective, talking about this kind of events, I really love it, and I was really missing this kind of, connection with the people. We are social, beings. So we like to be connected. We like to be able to talk with people. We like to be able to express our ideas, in the best way possible. So I really love it, and the feeling is really nice to be able to come to this event with all the care possible. We know the protocol is very strict, and we know about that, and everyone is taking that very seriously. But again, I think the win situation, it's great. The ability of being able to connect with people, to find the people that maybe you don't see for a year or a year and a half, it's amazing, and I think that's going to be even better with time, in the months coming. So it's great.